In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a limit order on Binance Futures. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out in the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to set a limit order can be a valuable tool in your trading arsenal. A limit order allows you to specify the price at which you're willing to buy or sell an asset, helping you to manage your trades more effectively and avoid unexpected market fluctuations. Now, let's dive into the process, step by step. First things first, you'll need to access the Binance Futures platform. Start by logging into your Binance account. If you haven't done so already, ensure you're on the official Binance website to protect your personal information and assets. Once logged in, navigate to the derivatives section of the site, which is typically located in the main menu. From there, you'll want to select Futures. This will take you directly to the Binance Futures trading interface, where you'll be setting up your limit order. Next, it's time to select the trading pair you want to work with. You might already have a specific pair in mind, such as BTC/USDT, or you may need to do a little research to find one that fits your trading strategy. Either way, you can choose your desired trading pair from the list provided or use the search bar to quickly find it. Once selected, the trading interface will update to reflect your chosen market, displaying relevant charts and data. Now we move on to choosing the order type. In the order entry panel, you'll see various options for how you wish to place your trade. For our purposes, make sure you select Limit as your order type. This differs from a market order, which executes immediately at the current market price. A limit order waits until your specified price is reached, offering more control over entry and exit points. With your order type set, it's time to enter the essential order details. Start with the price. This is where you'll specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell. Next, you'll need to decide on the quantity, which is the amount of the asset you wish to trade at that specified price. Finally, consider your leverage options. Adjust the leverage based on your risk tolerance, keeping in mind that higher leverage increases both potential profit and potential loss. Once you've set these parameters, you're ready to place the order. Depending on your market prediction, click Buy Long if you anticipate that the price will rise. Conversely, click Sell Short if you expect the price will fall. After doing this, your limit order will be placed on the order book. It will execute automatically when the market price reaches the limit price you've specified, allowing you to capitalize on price movements with precision. And there you have it. Now you know how to set a limit order on Binance Futures. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit the steps whenever you need a refresher. Happy trading!